Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Since there's been a lot of interest in getting another $100 new investor video put out, I thought I'd put together a new investor video focusing on high dividend yielding securities that pay out on a monthly basis. So a monthly dividend stock portfolio. A lot of you guys want to kind of see an immediate return on investment with regards to monthly dividend stocks. So I thought I'd just put together a quick portfolio here, about $100, $105 or so total value. And like I said, these stocks all pay out on a monthly basis, so you can get the rewards of compounding monthly rather than typical quarterly stocks that most S&P 500 and most of the stocks in my portfolio are. So having said all that, let's jump into the portfolio. Like I said, 5 different stocks, and the total value is about $105 or so. And the other key part behind this as well is it's pretty diversified as well. I have one index S&P 500 stock. I have one stock that follows preferred stock, which is kind of a hybrid between bonds and stocks. It really acts like a bond in that it has a fixed rate of return, but you can trade it on the stock market like a stock. Then I have a couple of real estate investment trusts and one business development company. And like I said, all the stocks pay out on a monthly basis, and they're all very high dividend yielding stocks as well. So the first stock here, SPHD, I've talked about this stock in quite a few videos. I like this stock. This is really the backbone of this particular portfolio. It's an S&P 500 index stock. On the bottom there, you can see it's tracking a dividend yield weighted index comprising the 50 least volatile names chosen from a short list of the S&P 500's 75 highest dividend yielding securities. So a very, very good ETF with very good underlying companies. You can see I've been getting a monthly dividend return on this for the last few months here. Currently, the dividend yield is 3.988%, which is very good, and it's a very large fund as well, $3.00 billion for the market cap. You can see over the last 1 year, it's up 13.41%, which is excellent, and over the last 5 years, really tracking with the S&P 500, 86.81%. So a very good dividend ETF here that pays out on a monthly basis, and really the backbone of this particular portfolio. Now I'm going to scroll through my stocks to get the next stock here. And I own 4 out of 5 of these stocks here. The only one I don't own is the hybrid stock bond, the preferred stock ETF. The next couple of stocks I want to talk about are real estate investment trust stocks. As you guys know, they typically pay out a very high ratio, and they're pretty stable as well. I have a couple different real estate investment trusts, one from the industrial sector, another one from the hospitality sector. The first one here, APLE, this owns a lot of Marriott properties. You can see over the last 1 year, it's been doing okay, 9.63%. And over the last 5 years, it's done okay as well, 18.84%. It's a relatively new stock, first trading in 2015. If we go to the bottom here, you can see it has a very good dividend yield, 6.006. Very large company as well, 4.20 billion for market cap. And like I said, this really deals with Marriott hotels and similar quality hotel chains. So kind of upscale hotels with regards to this real estate investment trust. The other one here, Stag Industrial, STAG. Go to the bottom here, another very good dividend stock, 5.834. Very large company as well, 2.25 billion. You can see over the last 1 year, up 34.16%. Over the last 5 years, up 168.06%. So it's had some very, very good performance. And like I said, a little bit different underlying real estate investment than the other one, APLE. So a couple really nice dividend-producing stocks here from the real estate investment trust world, and they both pay out on a monthly basis. The fourth stock here, a little bit higher risk stock, is PSEC Prospect Capital Corporation, a business development company. It's really been trending down here of late. I think there's an opportunity to pick this up on the dip. Again, these are very high-risk, high-reward companies. You can see the current dividend yield on this one is 12.787%. Large company as well, 2.98 billion. PE ratio, fairly low, 9.976. But the big thing with these business development companies is that their dividend yields are so high, it's often hard for the company to maintain that over the long term. And you can really see that here. There's a dividend cut that's going to be happening after 3 more months here with this company. And because of that, you can really see it's kind of fell off the chart here. It was trading around $9, $9.20, and fell down almost $1.20, $8.04. Currently trading at $8.36. But I think there's some opportunity to have this in your portfolios. Again, it's a little bit higher risk, but has a very good dividend yield. And like I said, it pays out monthly. I've had this stock pretty much since the beginning of my Robinhood portfolio here. You see it's been paying out $2.58 per month, pretty reliably. I've liked the stock so far, but again, it's a little bit higher risk stock than some of the other ones in this portfolio. And the last stock I'd like to talk about is a stock I currently don't have, but may add to the portfolio, PGX, PowerShares Preferred Portfolio. You can see on the bottom here it's tracking index of fixed rate US dollar denominated preferred securities. So basically these are stocks that sort of operate like bonds. They have a fixed income, pay out on a fixed interval, but they are able to be traded on the stock market. So kind of a hybrid between a stock and bond, more like a bond with regards to the rate of return. You can see the dividend yield is very good, 5.677. Large stock as well, 4.96 billion for market cap. You can see over the last 1 year, up 5.67%. Over the last 5 years, up 42.51%. So not as good as the other stocks, but this is a very low volatility. You're basically guaranteed this rate of return while holding this stock. And typically the stock price on these particular investments doesn't vary by a whole lot here. You can see over the last 5 years, it's only up 42.51%. Last 5 years, 5.61%. I guess you could say there's some volatility in here, but you're really just dropping from 14 or so to 13, back up to 15. So very low volatility stock, a little bit more secure than the other ones, especially the business development companies like PSEC. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly talk about this portfolio here, about $105 or so, 5 different stocks, PGX, preferred portfolio following preferred securities, again, a hybrid between bonds and stocks, a couple real estate investment trust, STAG, Stag Incorporated, APLE, Apple Hospitality, and then one very good ETF from the indexed world of the S&P 500, SPHD, S&P 500 index stock, low volatility, high dividend yield index. So very, very good stock. And again, these all pay out on a monthly basis, all have very good dividend yields. And for the most part, they're pretty stable stock, safe, PSAC. That's very high risk. But again, it has the highest dividend yield out of all of these stocks here at 12.87%. I'm just kind of scrolling through my portfolio here, getting back to SPHD here. And again, I might put out another video today describing what's in my portfolio currently. I haven't put one of those videos out for quite some time, but yeah, just wanted to talk about this new investor portfolio. If you guys have any better stocks to include, let me know. These are the stocks that I've found, I think, that are very good for new investors. I think they're very stable stocks, and I think they have a very good rate of return with regards to risk assessment as well. But let me know what you guys think of this portfolio. And kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys have any good comments, any good video ideas, let me know. Always looking for new videos to put out, new things to read up on. Whole point of this portfolio is to learn. I hope you guys have been learning along with me. I've learned a ton. Thank you guys for your suggested videos. There's quite a few I need to get done yet, so hopefully maybe over today and tomorrow I can get some of those videos out. But again, keep the ideas coming. Definitely appreciate the comments, and next video, we'll see you then.